Did you know a sneeze can literally fracture your ribs if you try to stop it? When you sneeze, air explodes from your lungs at 100 miles per hour. That's hurricane-force wind shooting through your body. A single sneeze launches 100,000 droplets, carrying up to 5 million bacteria across a 26-foot radius. Your brain automatically slams your eyes shut because the internal pressure spike could damage them. But here's the terrifying part. Suppressing a sneeze can rupture blood vessels, dislocate your jaw, or even cause brain aneurysms. Doctors have documented cases where people died from stopping powerful sneezes. Your body's most innocent reflex can become deadly if you fight it.